Good Friday morning. Today is Quandary Peak, 14,265 feet elevation summit, which is actually right here behind me. Hope that the sun stays out and it stays pretty for us today. Y'all ready to go hiking? Let's do a 14er today. All right, we're on the trail. Next stop, Quandary Summit. We're starting out at 10,800 feet of elevation. Oh, look at those aspens. All right, we're a mile in. We're at about 11,400 feet right here. This is not Quandary right here, but there's a little point right above that. That's the very top of Quandary. So, gotta go around here and follow that ridge line straight up. You know, it's funny, I'm trying to record this video and talk to you or talk to Lindsay, trying to make it sound like I'm not out of breath. You're gonna probably hear some pretty heavy breathing. Sorry about that. We got to see some mountain goats, and those suckers are beautiful. Look at these views. Absolutely. Oh. Wow. Just wanted to show you this view here beside the trail. If you're dizzy at 13,000 feet, don't look down. Oh, there's the trail. The last stretch. Still got to go to this peak right here, which is a false summit. Flattens out a little bit and then up to the true summit. Fish right here, it's all scramble. And looking back behind Lindsay, that's why we came up. Look at that. Like, that's your trail. See the person in the orange windbreaker? That's the trail. Alright guys, we're mere feet away. I believe this is the summit. Get dog. You got here, right? I'll try this again. Maybe without crying this time. At the summit. I never knew that I'd get up here and bawl like a dang baby, but I did. God, so proud of it. We did it. I'm gonna get out of here. It's gonna get really bad. This is the way we gotta go. You can barely see now. But this is 14,265 feet in elevation. 14. We are working our way back out. Only stayed at the summit maybe 10 minutes, if that. You can tell how the conditions have already changed from when we came up. So stoked to have gotten out here and knocked out a 14er. It is windy and it is cold. So much for getting out before the storm. We hit the window, I guess, and it took us about 4 hours to reach the summit, which a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. We're about out of the hardest part of the entire day too, which is that scramble right here. Remember this view from earlier? See how clouded in it is now? First hike in the snow of the season. What better place in Colorado, right? All right, guys, there you have summit of Quandary Peak 14er. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel as well. Leave me a comment below and let me know what y'all thought of this